In this video, you will learn how to create local macro modules and see what they can do for you. First of all, you need an existing network with some modules you want to encapsulate into a local macro. We will use the network from the previous video Basic Mechanics of MeVisLab. Open the MLab file. Add the modules Arithmetic 2 and Morphology to your workspace and connect them as you can see in the video. Change the field function of the module Arithmetic 2 to use the function Subtract in the panel of the module. In order to see the results of the different filters on your image, select the outputs of the modules and follow your image through the network via Output Inspector. You can also use your synchronized View 2D modules from previous example to see the result of your filter. If you want more information of a specific module, you can select Help from the Module's context menu and find example networks and detailed help of your selected module. For creating your local macro, select the three modules, for example by dragging a selection rectangle around them. Right-click the selection to open the context menu and select Add to New Group. Enter a name for the new group, for example Filter. The new group is created and displayed as a rectangle. Your network becomes very complex? No problem. Let MeVisLab arrange your modules automatically via Main Menu, Edit, Auto Arrange Selection, or via keyboard shortcut. We now want to convert our group filter into one single module. You may have already noticed that the modules have different colors. Each color represents a special type of modules. The blue modules are called ML modules and responsible for the processing of voxel images. The brown modules are called macro modules. Macro modules encapsulate a whole network in a single module. You can right-click on one macro module to open the context menu and select Show Internal Network to see the internal network structure. Macro modules also enable the implementation of custom functionalities via Python scripting. Right-click on the group title and select Convert to Local Macro. Now, you need to select a name for your macro module and finish the creation. Your three ML modules of the group filter have now been converted to a macro module. You can inspect the internal network via Context menu, Show Internal Network. Any changes in the internal network are automatically applied on your macro module. Attention, as this is a local macro, you will not be able to search for the name. This macro is only available and usable in your current network. Global macros usable in all of your MeVisLab networks will be explained in another video. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.